What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I will be installing these guys, hybrid racing cable bushings. So if you guys haven't checked out the last video that I did, it was the installation of the hybrid racing short shifter. So if you guys want to check that out, I'll leave links down below in the description. I'm pretty impressed with the quality of hybrid racing, so that's why I went ahead and got the bushings. And basically what you get is your bushings, your locking rings, and cotter pins. And I think that's it that's in there. Yes, so yep, today I'm gonna show you guys how to do it. Before I show you guys how to install the hybrid racing cable bushings, I'm gonna show you guys how to adjust the short shifter itself. Then you're gonna take your 12 and your 17. You're just gonna break it loose. There you go, so broke it loose. And now you can take this one out more as well. And again, be careful when you're doing this not to go out too far, because you will hit the side of the panel. So we're gonna go counterclockwise to bring it up some. I think I want to stop there. So what I'm gonna do is just tighten this bolt up, spin this one back, and we're just gonna tighten it down. Make sure that that's tight, everyone. You don't want to break it loose, which is obviously lefty-loosey. And this will allow you to bring this down more. And I'm going to keep going until I can actually get a shorter throw. Clearance. So like, say it's in this position. If I go into 5th, you gotta kind of check if you're gonna be hitting anything. And actually, if you really look, I'm not hitting anything. So the thing is though, you're gonna want to check also when you're in 4th at the bottom that you don't hit down there too. So I kind of want to make sure that I'm good on top and bottom. And I think that's the most that I can go. So right there, I'm gonna go ahead and screw it down. You have your 17. Be able to adjust. So you're gonna want to tighten this pretty tight so it doesn't come loose. I am actually just barely clearing, and actually when I put this on, I gotta check as well. So definitely put your center console piece on as well, so we can kind of get an idea. So you got 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th, and reverse. So that's that. Now we are gonna go and get to the cable bushings. The hood, so we can get a better look. Now, if you guys have a stock airbox, you're gonna wanna remove that, but because I'm running a cold air thing, it's pretty much out of the way, and you have access to both of the bushings. You can see that. So as you can see down here, you have your cotter pins on either side. So you're gonna want to take these out, and also you will need flathead and just some needle nose or something you guys can pull out the cotter pins. So I'm gonna do that now. So there's a little retainer which looks like this, and it pretty much just holds the cable in place. You're gonna want to take that out as well. And once it comes out free, you could lift it out, push this out. And I'm not really sure what brand this is. This doesn't look OEM, so if you guys know that it is, if you guys know if this is OEM, comment down below, but honestly, I don't think it's OEM. But yeah, we're gonna take this out. The back lip, you're gonna actually wanna put the ring around the bottom. I'm sorry, not the top. I did scratch it up. Damn. But anyways, you're gonna want to put this in the actual cable itself, and then at the end, you're gonna want to put it in the back, not the top. So I'm gonna do that now and then bolt everything back up. And get your cotter pin. Came with the bag. And we go ahead and slide it through. And then we're gonna work on the other one. Make sure you put this piece back in before you start the other side. So I'm gonna do that now. Make sure the cable is actually fastened in. Just gonna tap it in real quick, guys. To the other side, again, you're gonna wanna take this piece out. All right, so once you have that removed, again, you're gonna have access to your cable. So, see if I can take it out. So, here is the bushing that was in there. And then these are metal, so I don't think these are OEM, but yeah, we're just gonna switch to something a little bit nicer and something that looks more aesthetically pleasing. So here's the old ones. We're gonna take our other Avid Racing bushing. Same thing, we're gonna go in, and on the back, you're gonna have to put the locking mechanism on. So I will do that now. Just kind of do it kind of like a keychain. All right, that's on there like that. Once you have it secured, let's go ahead and pop it back into place. All right, so now that we got that on, make sure the cable is secured. And then we're gonna put our cotter pin on. And that should do it. Just put the cotter pin on. We're good to go. All right, everyone, so that's gonna wrap it up for today's video. Thank you for making it all the way to the end. I really appreciate all the comments, all the likes, all the love you guys have been showing me. A lot of you guys are unsubscribed. I do see it in my analytics, like I will show right here. You guys wanna hit that sub button so you guys can keep up to date with my channel, not miss anything, and also tick that post notification bell while you guys are at it. And I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.